In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a custom keyboard shortcut, which means assigning your own shortcut to any tool or command inside Premiere Pro. Custom shortcuts are very useful when you want faster access to features you use often. Let's begin. Go to the top menu and click on Edit, then choose Keyboard Shortcuts. The Keyboard Shortcuts window will open. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type the name of the command you want to assign a shortcut to. For example, you can search for a tool or a specific function like ripple delete or render into out. Once you find the command, click on the empty space next to it where shortcuts are listed. Now press the key combination you want to assign. If that shortcut is already being used by another command, Premiere will warn you. You can choose to override it or assign a different shortcut. After assigning your shortcut, click OK. Your custom shortcut is now active. From now on, whenever you press that key combination, Premiere will perform that action instantly. Creating custom shortcuts can significantly improve your editing speed, especially for frequently used tools. And that's it. You now know how to create a custom keyboard shortcut in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.